respond back to him.
What did he text you?
Way for me to smell. It is.
What time did we leave?
I think we left at like 12.
12?
I think we did. Yeah, because I had to charge up my phone and all that kind of stuff. I don't really want to park this far.
Like, where is they at?
He probably is. I wouldn't mind parking in. If he usually parks far away because he don't like people swiping your car. Oh. Okay. You ready, Abby?
Why did I look cross-eyed?
All right, come on. Come on. Leave that phone. Well, I guess you could bring it in here with you. You gonna get in the buggy? Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna put this phone. I'm gonna put this phone in the buggy.
Okay, with you.
Maybe they always in there.
Like, why are you driving so fast? Or if it evaporates. That looks like.
I love the smell of Lowe's. It smells like lumber and just outside gardening stuff. Okay, go get a buggy. All right, you in there?
Mom, can you turn your phone on?
Yes. Is it not on?
Mommy.
Here you go.
It's not.
Yeah, they be overdoing it.
There's matcha, there's
Okay. All right, so we need to find the PVC pipes. I do believe that they're at the very back. I think that's where I got them from the last time. I don't know. I don't be looking at them. I ain't got no time to be paying attention to none of that. So we're trying to make a backdrop. Not at this moment. Thank you. Okay, so to the size that we already have at the house, like the one, I think it's gonna be this one. And then they have to cut it for us. Okay, so let's see. And then we're gonna need some elbows. But let me get the dimensions off my phone. Somebody with some knowledge.
My Bubba's so dirty.
Maybe we should get her out. Yeah, get her out. Get out. Sit down. Well, hold on. First I'm just gonna, my bad. Sorry, Sean. Hold on. I'm just gonna put them like this. That's not ours. I know, but I'm gonna put them, get them out. More, you get a little special promotional deal. Oh, it says if you buy 8. Okay. This is not ours. Yes, I know, but I just need to get them down. All right, move back. Let me get the elbows. Okay, well we did it. We got our things. Yes, we did. Oh my gosh. Woo, we shouldn't have tried to do this by ourselves.
Is there dirt all over my back?
I don't think so.
Look.
All right, we finally got what we needed. About to get out of here now. That was a lot. I didn't either, but Charlene, hand me those. Yes, no, those. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Avi. Yes. Hand me that. No, no. Hand me that. Yes. That's a math that you're gonna.
This one. And then how many we have?
I have 8 of them.
Okay, tap it.
Right here.
No, yeah, right, yeah. Tap that. And then just put 8.
Yes.
What? No. Not so no.
Okay, so let's pay now. Like, you only got 12 items to scan. Well, let me hurry up and pay. Just tell me how I done lost the car, y'all. I finally found it. This is why I don't like going out by myself. When I'm with my husband, all he gotta do is just pull up on the place, and all I gotta do is go in the store. I ain't gotta worry about trying to find no car, none of that. Whew, we finally found it. Come on, move out the way before I run over your shoes by accident. Okay, here we go. Whew. Trying to get them in the car. We finally. Now this right here, I did not think that was possible, y'all. And it fit inside of this Volkswagen Atlas, y'all. That's what I'm talking about.